We are a trustful company, thoroughly abiding by our promise. Thanks for your interest in Test 1. Test 1 specializes in test equipment manufacturing, such as UTM, environment chamber, and more, with the best technicians, having careers longer than 20 years and constant technical developing efforts. We hold supply records mainly for universities in Korea and Korean major companies such as Samsung, LG, LS, Hyundai, TUV Korea, and more. We have been localizing expensive foreign equipment and further developing new products with technology and know-how accumulated over more than 20 years. With the professional knowledge, information, specialized material property tester, and reliability tester, we offer customers better service. Now and forever, we are using the exertion of challenge and passion to research and develop. We also do our best to make our customers happy. Finally, as honest business administration, we thoroughly abide by our promise, even though it's a small promise. Our company's motto is "The customer is first," so we will do the best we can. Please keep up the encouragement and guidance to Test 1 Co. Limited. We hope the future will bring you fulfillment of your work. Thank you.